Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night, episode 2 on the Mk1 RS. So yeah, I've been looking forward to this for nearly a year now. So since I'm waiting on parts for my minis, it's just slow, so I thought, well, to try and keep the videos going, we can maybe do, you know, a week about stuff like that, so it gives me a chance to get a good run at each car. So like I say, we'll crack on with this just now. We'll show you what I've got to do first of all, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Yeah, as you can see, I've got the door pillar here. That's all rotted away as well, so that needs to be done. This panel's been replaced before. It's rotten at the bottom, it's a bit thin at the top there. I'll show you around the other side. And here we are on the driver's side, same again, it's completely gone here. The shield plates were completely rotted through, and also inner wings, you can see them completely shot on this side. And on the scuttle too, it's pretty bad. So my first job is to get that cut off and see where we are from there, and obviously you need to go to the drawing board and make sure all the measurements are right. So let's go. Right, okay, that's the inner wings all cut out now, so I'll take them off just now and I'll show you what's you know, what I'm up against. There you go, as you can see that 1, 2, 3 layers. I think it's been double skinned on that one. Then on the other side, one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so she's had a hard life. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to crack on with the front end and get that off, and then start taking some measurements and things like that, you know, before we do anything else. Right, boys and girls, that's me finished for a fortnight. So I'll let you see what we've done so far. You know, I mean, we've got the chassis legs in, the floor is just to be welded in, and the rear floor is just screwed in just now. There might be some adjustments to made on that, obviously, because I don't know what I'm going to do with the rear quarter panels yet. So I've left that just now. So we'll turn the camera around and let you think and see what you think. Yes, there you go. There's the rear panel, just clamped into place just now, and the rear floor, like I said, it's just temporarily screwed in. And then you've got the main floor here. That's been welded, obviously, into these sections here, and then from the back to about there. So I've got so it still gives me adjustment to adjust the body. As you know, the chassis is all done, red oxide as well. That's all been done as well inside that. So I made a few more adjustments now on the jig inside the car, so I can adjust it up and down for the when I'm doing the door pillars next, and the inner wings and bulkhead. So obviously I need something to adjust all that. So that's all been done, so we're ready to go with that now. So yeah, you know, I'm happy with what's been happening so far. I must give a shout out to Kev, who's got I think it's in Mexico he's got, with a bit of a difference. So I've been taking a lot of measurements of Kev's car, because this is a good example. So thanks for that, Kev, much appreciated. So like I say, so we'll crack on next week with the hopefully we'll start with the doors, the hinges, and try and get that all done, because again they're all shot as well, you know. They've passed its sell by date. So like I say, so thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks then, bye bye for now, bye.